Hi, I'm Mary and let me show you how to create this easy Halloween look with Rimmel London. For the base in this makeup, I'm going with my Stay Matte Full Coverage Mattifying Foundation. To set everything in place, I'm using my Stay Matte Powder. Lightweight and mattifying, and it's gonna make sure that your makeup lasts for hours. The star in this look is definitely the eyes, so grab your palette. This one is a Magnifies Rainbow Edition. Pack your eyelid with the green shade. Using the lightest green in the inner corner to add some light. And we're gonna need our Scandal Eyes waterproof gel pencil. We're gonna create our first line going this way. Any line that I do here, I'm gonna do it also here to create that symmetry. To create the spider web, we're just gonna connect this line with use in between. To draw the spider, extend this line, make a big circle and then a little one, some little legs. And to finish the eyes, we're gonna use some mascara. It's the perfect mascara to add volume, drama, and it's clump free. We're gonna use my favorite lip combo, the Lasting Finish lip liner, and finish with the layer of Stay Glossy. And this is the final look. If you recreate this look, tag us so we can see it, and don't forget to check out all the other tutorials that we made for you.